Are you looking for the best miter saw stand in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best miter saw stand that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At the first position of our list we have the Bosch T4B Gravity Rise Rolling Miter Saw Stand. This is our top choice for the miter saw stand. There is an important reason we make the Bosch T4B Gravity Rise our clear favorite. It has a universal mounting system on which you can fit any miter saw irrespective of its brand. And with that, if you are using this stand on an uneven surface like on dirt or other bumpy surfaces, then its adjustable telescoping leveling leg will provide stability. It supports any piece of wood materials up to 18 feet or less. The steel frame makes this as an extremely durable stand, while the pneumatic stand with wheels is easy to move it from job to job or just around the workshop. It can withstand 300 pounds of weight to withstand almost any cutting project. Its gravity rise system made it quick to set up and easy to collapses, can be handled with one hand. There is a very small amount of force needed for movement, friction and mass. However, if you have limited shop room plus requires to move it to the work sites, shed, house inside for room remodeling, and outside, then this mobile stand is absolutely great. We were impressed with the stability of this saw stand, as well as its large 18-foot capacity, making it suitable for even large jobs. However, if we could make just one improvement, we would make the leveling feet a little wider. Sturdiness, if the most important things for a miter stand, luckily we have that in this model. The Bosch T4B has all the important features and it makes it best portable miter saw stand on the market. Moving on to the next at number 2 with the Dewalt DWX726 miter saw stand. Dewalt made sturdy power tools, and with that, this stand is another great accessory. We were impressed by its high-quality construction as it is made up of durable tubular steel for long-lasting use that allows for up to 300 pounds weight capacity. Aside from that, it doesn't have many features when compared to Bosch T4B. You can move this miter saw stand easily on the job site or in your workshop or garage. This stand will easily adjust to any height as per your needs. Similar to Bosch, the mounting rail is easily adjustable and you can fit most miter saws on it. With its wide rubber grip wheels, we liked how this is a steady and incredibly stable saw stand. The pneumatic assisted raising and lowering function made it easy for us to adjust and prevented backache, especially when we had a heavy saw mounted. You can set up this stand at 3 different heights for flexibility. Once we figured it out, this Dewalt model folded up easily for compact storage. The extension arms made work on longer projects easier and freed up our bench space. Dewalt offers 3 years limited warranty, which is good for users. We found it to be a good solid miter saw stand, suitable for heavier saws. However, if you need something more lightweight and portable, it may not be quite what you're looking for. The number 3rd position we have the HTC PM4000 PortaMate miter saw stand. If you need a lightweight stand for your saw, then the PortaMate 4000 is a great option. While it lacks some of the features of more expensive stands, we were more than satisfied with its performance, especially considering its low price. You don't need to break your bank to get the best stand for your miter saw. If you're short on space, this fold-up stand makes a great choice. It's also lightweight, so we could transport it easily, weighing in at just 30 pounds. However, if you want a stand to use on site, we think you would be better off going for one with wheels, for easier maneuverability without having to detach then reattach your saw. The PM4000 comes with quick attach saw mounts, and we had no problems attaching several different 12-inch saws without a hitch. But although we found the tubular steel construction to be very strong, we don't think it's suitable for taking on very large projects. This is because we noticed the supports tended to sag a little when extended any distance. Another issue we found is that the legs are non-adjustable. We had no problems in our level workshop, but if you're going to be using it on site, then you may struggle to level it. In spite of these issues, we still think this tough, long-lasting saw stand that will be more than adequate for light work or DIY if you have a smaller workspace. Next at number 4 we have the Dewalt DWX726 miter saw stand. The Dewalt DWX726 is a strong and sturdy stand best suited for large heavy-duty projects, able to support up to 16 feet of material with a maximum weight of 500 pounds. This is a bit pricier model as it is one of the highest quality stands on the market, even much better than our first pick. This will work with all brands of miter saws. For such a heavy-duty but lightweight stand, we were impressed by how simple it is to fold away. This made storage easy, so if you're struggling for space, the DWX726 could be a decent option for a heavy miter saw. Made from aluminum, this stand's 35 pounds weight made it easy for us to transport. However, if you're looking for a stand to move about on site without taking off your saw, then we think you'd be better off looking for one with wheels. One of the important features is locking levers are added, which allows you to extend the table entirely. It is portable and can be folded easily. Once you fold the legs, it is easy to carry and store. On the whole, we think this is a decent stand, but there are others out there that offer a better design and greater value for money. And finally, at number 5th position we have the HICO UWC4000 miter saw stand. We found quite a few issues with this stand, but if you're looking for a stand for occasional use and don't want to spend big bucks, then this could be just what you're looking for. This stand is compact and folded up really easily, making it ideal for light DIY use. The steel frame itself is solid and durable. However, we found it to be on the short side. It was okay for short amounts of time, but if we used it any longer we found our backs started to ache. We found attaching the saw was a little hit and miss, so if you don't have much experience you'll likely struggle. We were also unimpressed by the instructions, which were difficult to make sense of. Furthermore, aside from the solid mainframe, a lot of the fittings are made from poor quality plastic. We discovered that the slide-out supports were flimsy and the leg caps that are meant to add stability tended to fall off. The miter blade must not be larger than 12 inches, it won't fit. Overall, if you're aware of this stand's issues and are looking for a budget option that's primarily lightweight and easy to transport, we think this could still be a good choice for you. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.